If you search your business on Google and it doesn't show up, don't panic. Because in this video, I'm going to show you some common reasons why. I'm Kevin Mohan, founder of CodeBreeze Solutions right here in New Haven, Connecticut. And let's get right into it. If you go to Google, go to the 9 dots up here in the top right corner, the Google Apps, click on Business Profile Manager. I have a couple businesses here I run. I'm going to mine, see your profile, CodeBreeze Solutions. All right, this is the Google business profile. One of the common reasons is this blue check mark over here. Is your business verified? That's really important. If not, come over to where it says profile strength, this little circle, complete info. Click on that. And right here, this is add storefront. I don't need that. I don't use a storefront. That's how I save you guys a lot of money. Skip this. This is a reason mine's not my ring isn't complete and it's not green because they want me to advertise. I have not advertised with it. My clients do. They have great success. Mine's all organic. Google Ads is great though. And the other thing, they want me to buy an email. I already have that. So basically, if you're not go to profile, the only thing they want from me to complete this is to spend money. So that's one common mistake, is to verify your Google business profile. I did a whole video on how to optimize your Google business profile. The main thing you want to do is get reviews. So, all right, the next thing Google looks for if you're not showing up, do you have a website? If you're just using Facebook or Instagram and your socials, it doesn't build the trust like with Google that a website does. The Google bots go to your website. If you have a professional name, domain name, that builds a lot of trust. The other thing is they read your content. And your search engine optimization, all your keywords, they're learning about your business. So if you don't have a website, it's not going to get indexed. Indexing with Google is really important. It's not your ranking, but picture it like a library, and your book is your website. Google reads the book, looks through it. Is it legit? If it's legit, it'll put it on the shelf to be indexed. Okay, and you can search. We'll go to, let me show you the Google Search Console. If you put in, I have it up here. Type in Google Search Console. Start now. All right. If you go to URL inspection, CodeBreeze Solutions, I'll do that. Okay, I'm indexed. Okay, the green check mark. But you can request indexing. Click this button over here, and you can request indexing. It's indexing. Well, it's already indexed, but it's just checking. I'm going to cancel this. I don't want to waste your time. Pages are indexed. I have a couple pages that are not indexed. Okay, it's being requested. But the 7 pages that are live that I have right now are fully indexed. These are pages that I deleted. Google just hasn't caught up to it because I'm constantly updating my website. That's really important for search engine optimization. Now, keep in mind, all of these things that we do with Google, they also reflect the large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all of them. So keep that in mind. Because people aren't just searching on Google, they're asking chat, so on, and they're referring and recommending, and they're learning the same way that Google does. So that was indexing. If you don't have a website, you need to get a website. You want to get it indexed. And another common thing why your business may not be showing up on Google is if your website is too new. It takes a good 6 months to really build authority, 6 to 12 months, and that's really being consistent with your advertising, with your social media posts, and so on. Um, the other thing is you want to make sure your website, your Google business profile, your social media all have the same phone number, same address, same email, name across the board. If any of them are different, it it doesn't build trust with these search engines, and you're not going to rank. So that's important. The other common thing is your competition. If if people have been building authority with Google for years and posting consistently, you've got to outdo them, basically. Um, and the way to do that is to provide good service and get those reviews. The reviews are probably the most important thing with building your reputation with Google and the large language models is the Google reviews right here. I did a whole video on that. It's really important. Um, I'm going to give you a little bonus tip. I like helping small businesses grow online, especially here in New Haven, Connecticut. But don't forget about having physical business cards and using them. Carry them every place you go. If you're in a coffee shop talking with people, you never know when you're going to get a client. And this is from me doing businesses. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life. I've had jobs here and there. But CodeBreeze Solutions is my latest business. I went back to school, got my AS in computer science a little later in life, and started CodeBreeze Solutions to help small businesses because that's really the backbone of of our country. I think it's important. So, listen, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys got something out of this. And if you did, hit the like and subscribe so I can keep making these videos and helping you guys out. I appreciate it. Thank you.